Let me talk in this session about constants, how to use, why it is required, what is the advantage in the Python program. Basically, the constants are defined by user in the program. Generally, the constants will be assigned by some values, some numerical numbers. For example, let me explain you one. The Python file, for example, we write a program in one file, file1, file.py. So this is a one file. In this file, we are writing the code. Okay, we are writing the code. Now there is a case, maybe in the logic point of view, we wanted to enter some constants. So you can write the constants here, okay, and you can call within the program. But what will happen? It is not going to be a efficient program. So what you need to do, you need to make a bits and pieces of different file where you need to write the required information and call whenever required. Okay, now for what I mean is something, I would create a constant, I would write a constant py, another one file. In that file I will write just a constants, all the constants I'm going to put which I want to use in the future in any of the program. Okay, so what I'm going to call this one inside here. So I'm going to use, I'll show you this one on the program. Let's go to, I'm creating on the Python, I'm going to create a new Python file. I'm say constant one. This is a constant one file. Here I'm going to type the pi, okay, equals to 3.142. okay, and let me filter for that, means, yeah, let me give the space, that's fine. And gravity equals to 9.8. okay, and light speed equals to 3.1 lakh. Okay, so like that, there is a constant. Now this is saved. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create another, this is the actual programming program. Okay, here I'm going to write a program. I want to call that constant from this file. So I'm going to use import, okay, and constant one. Okay, enter here. Okay, constant and import and constant. Now here print, okay, print constant one dot, you see here automatically the pop-up will come up here, it's pi. Okay, enter, print constant one dot gravity. Okay, print constant one dot light speed. See, I'm going to write this, I'm going to execute this program. Let me execute the program. You see here, if I execute it, I got the answers here. pi is 3.142, gravity is 9.8, light speed is 3.1. you can see here the same values are displayed. What I wanted to tell here is you can list all the constants which are you are required in your bigger programs as a separate file. Call that file whenever necessary. So that is the advantage of this constant, managing the constants, okay, basically. So this is about constant. Let's go to the next topic.